strategy in Leipzig is to look at everything really, at all the processes, starting from front to back really. So it's something we do on a normal basis. So it's not something that we have a strategic outlook on and have big strategic projects. It's more the continuous improvement, as you like, to look at energy consumption, to look at waste, to look at renewable energy.
Vibration analysis on pumps and ventilation systems we have for throughput improvement, and also what we now try to do is current control for detecting mechanical damages in the conveyor systems.
So the automation should be more and more smart to detect and to say to the operator what to do. But if we want to keep the high quality, I think we need also to keep some people in the paint shops who knows how the paint reacts, how the paint is sprayed, how it is, what kind of issues they may see, and how to solve them.